We've missed you, world. We might not have seen you for a while, but we've never stopped looking forward to the day we'll all be together again. And when the world opens up, we're ready to get you flying to the people and places we all miss. Our family, our friends, our colleagues, our favourite destinations. We've been busy doing everything we can to make sure you feel safe on the ground and in the air. Our entire fleet is cleaned from nose to tail every 24 hours, and our HEPA filters remove 99.9% of germs and viruses from the cabin air. And on board, key surfaces will be disinfected after every flight. That's a lot of disinfectant and a huge amount of love and care. Whilst we're doing everything we can, we need your help too. You can keep contact at the airport to a minimum by downloading the BA app and saving your boarding pass. And remember to make use of our new sanitising stations whenever you like. We ask all customers to wear a face mask at all times in the airport and on board. As a guide, a face mask could last up to 4 hours, so please remember to bring enough masks with you for the duration of your trip. When you reach the departure gates, have your passport open and boarding pass ready. Then sit back and enjoy your flight. We've got everything covered. When we land, observe safe distance markers through to border control and on to the people and places you're longing to see. We can't wait to welcome you safely on board again soon.